the nutmeg. Mm. Very rich. Very rich. Incredibly rich. Hello, family and friends. Welcome back once again to Mama Ninja's Kitchen. Yes, today I am bringing you something glamour, some glamour in the kitchen. Yes, guys, glamour in the kitchen, exquisite, glorious, yes, and remarkably delicious. Oh wow, what do I have for you today? French toast, yes, cinnamon French toast. This has been a favorite for my family. My children, they love French toast, guys. Oh, I have not come across a child that does not love French toast. So today, this show in itself is for, I am dedicating it to children as well as adults that are children in the heart. Oh yes, we all are. And all you need are just a few simple ingredients to hook this up. If you are interested to know, and if you have seen and love what you have been presented so far, come with me. Let's get right into it. What you need for your French toast is 2 eggs that you are going to whisk in 1/4 nutmeg, a dash of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that all together and cut your bread into 3 slices and dip in your mixture. Place in a greased pan and put in the air fryer oven. You want to bake it in the air fryer oven for 5 minutes on each side, giving you a total of 10 minutes. I have experimented with this multiple times, and yes, when you do that, it does come out crispy on the outside and quite soft in the inside. Yes, it is delicious. So if you have an air fryer oven and you haven't tried it for your French toast, guys, you need to. Yes, guys, are you ready for this? This is crispy cinnamon French roast. Crispy on the outside, soft and velvety texture in the inside. When you bite into it, it just melts in your mouth. Oh my, and the aroma in itself. The nutmeg and cinnamon combined together elevated it into that classical cake-like. Yes, I'm telling you guys, this was good. Now we are going to transition into the second part of our main course, which is spinach scrambled egg. Spinach scrambled egg. Quite easy recipe. In my pan, you have extra virgin olive oil infused with spices, red onions, and garlic. Mix that together and let it heat up until translucent, and then add on the half sliced sweet tomatoes. Toss that together for about a minute, and then you are going to add next the sliced dual color bell pepper, red and yellow sliced bell pepper. So add that in and let it add some salt. I am using 1/8 of salt, and then of course the Goya carpet seasoning that goes in, and I have some minced herbs, rosemary and bay leaf that goes in, and 3 eggs, whipped 3 eggs goes in. Increase the heat to medium high. Lastly, we are now going to add our green spinach, chopped baby spinach. Just pour that into the egg mixture and then cover and allow to heat up for 1 to 2 minutes, and voila, it is ready. At this time, I'm going to transfer this exotically colorful spinach scrambled egg into our serving dish. So I just removed it from the heat to prevent any further cooking. So guys, are we ready for this? Are you ready for this? Yes, yes, yes. So look, just take a look at it. Look at it. It is beautiful. It is sumptuously looking, exotic spinach scrambled egg. This is one of my favorite ways to cook scrambled egg. And I am going to add on to that our starch, which is French toast. Yes, you heard me. Cinnamon, crispy cinnamon French toast. I'm just going to layer that and create an attractive appeal with it. And then guys, we shall be ready to eat. So I am garnishing with the fruit of the day, which is sliced strawberries and blueberry. Yes, at this point, let's have a coating of confection and sugar dust. Yes. Oh my, oh my. If you are afraid that yes, this is just a pile of sugar, guys, don't be. Because what I use was actually less than a teaspoon. All you need is just a dusting, a coating of a dust of the confectioner sugars. And is a game changer. Just look at the presentation, the appeal in itself, totally transformed. And here guys, here is my setup for our French toast. Crispy cinnamon French toast. Quite inviting. I love it. If you do love what you see, please do not hesitate to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, and support. Support me so that I continually will bring you something delicious, something remarkable, remarkably tantalizing, sensational, yes, glam in the kitchen. Glam, glam, glam. I love these teacups. It just represents exactly who I am. Look at those teacups. A. I love the letter A. Symbol for so many things. And then of course, hello, gorgeous. And then we also have our lemon and honey drops that you can add on to your tea instead of using the semi-liquid honey or turning into a lime or lemon. And just look at our finally. All right, now we're going to take it even higher by adding a drizzle of syrup. Yes, syrup over the French toast. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, this is so tempting. Mouth watering. I am salivating, guys. I just can't wait to dig into this. Look at that syrup over the crispy cinnamon French toast. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my.